Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change DNS on IONOS. Let's get into it. First, find your website names. You need to look through your main dashboard menu to find the exact list of website names that you own. Look at the main menu options on your screen and click on the section labeled Domains and SSL. Wait for the page to load until you see a clear list of all the custom web names you have bought, because you need to select the exact name you want to adjust before you can see its hidden settings. By entering this specific directory, you can sort through your items easily. It ensures you don't accidentally mix up your names and change the settings on the wrong website. Next, open the Direction Settings tab. Now you need to click into the specific settings area for your chosen name and find the tab that handles the background routing numbers. Click on your specific website name, look at the top menu tabs, and click on the word DNS. Look down the new screen to see the rows of rows showing your current internet directions and numbers, because this tab houses the secret roadmap for your website name. By opening this specific tab, you unlock the table where the routing numbers are stored. It is the key step to getting the right output, so you can prepare to type in your new directions. Next, edit your numbers and save. The final step is to find the row you want to swap. Type in your brand new direction details and lock them into the system. Click the small gear icon or the Edit Record button next to your number row, type your new numbers into the box, and click Save. Look for a green check mark or a success note at the top of your screen to make sure the change went through. Once you hit the Save button, your setup task is completely done and the network will start pointing your name to the new location over the next few hours. Now your settings are securely locked in and ready. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.